Welcome to the Hard Reset channel. Today I'll show you how to check battery health on the AGM H6. So we will be using the Ampere app, and first we need to download it. Open Google Play Store and press search, and press search again. Next up, type Ampere. It's Ampere. And this is the app we are looking for. Press install. And it shouldn't take long. Once it's installed, click open. This is a cookies consent and of course introduction. Press OK. And this has a bunch of info about your battery. This is the entry field we are looking for, health. If it says good, it means it's good. If it says anything else, consider changing it in the repair store. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the Hard Reset channel for videos, leave a like and a comment, and goodbye.